Hello, I'm Jane Green, also known as the Sussex Seamstress. I make independent dressmaking patterns here in Sussex, so a UK-based business. My background is from starting at the London College of Fashion. I then moved into being a sample machinist for Zandra Rhodes in London, making all the samples ready to show on the runway, which was very exciting. Lots of flamboyance and colourful designs, beautiful prints. And then I moved on and discovered the wonderful world of costume making, which involved making lots of tutus and period costumes for the Opera House in London and Birmingham Royal Ballet and lots of other dance and ballet companies around the world. So eventually I came full circle and started to work for myself and started up this company. So my main inspiration for my patterns comes from dresses and garments that I've worn in the past, sometimes way back in the 80s, even childhood, things that I found comfortable and really enjoyed to wear. I'm very much a practical designer and I like to have big pockets and things that look nice and feel comfortable. Some of my designs also, I think, are really good at showing off fabric. So if you have a favourite fabric that's really lush, you can use some of the designs and it will really showcase those, which is also nice. I decided to add in the video tutorials as part of my patterns because I feel as a creative person I'm very visual in my learning, and I think lots of other people are too. So rather than have this weighty tome of written instructions, I thought it would be much nicer to have a little video to watch alongside you sewing in sort of real time, so you can actually have a little sew along, and I think that really works quite well. So the best part of my job, I have to say, is when people tag me in photos and I can see what they've made with the patterns. Everyone has their own interpretation, their own fabric choice, their own style, their own way of wearing it. I just love to see all the variations. So please, if you do make something, tag me in it or even just email me a picture, as I really, really love to see what has been made out of these.